Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a new and all-new recipe. Today I bring you a very easy and very good recipe. I love him and everyone loves him and the kids love him so much. It's creme brulee. It is a very easy recipe and not difficult. I mean, the recipe only needs a few ingredients, so smooth and so good. Look how the sugar is like glass. What a recipe. Everyone eats it. Our recipe is very good. I hope you like the video and are satisfied. Our recipe today doesn't need much. I mean, the ingredients are the first thing. We have to get 4 eggs. We separate the whites from the yolks. We'll use the yolk, but here we go. I separate the yolks from the whites and add the 4 egg yolks here. We added vanilla to them. They should need 50 grams of sugar. Stir the sugar and eggs together until it dissolves a little, meaning the recipe is very easy. Here we have 150 ml of milk and 250 ml of heavy cream. You can add milk only in, but with cream it comes out better and better. We put it on the stove and wait until the milk starts boiling. Boil the milk and add it to the ingredient, which is eggs with sugar. Stir them together gently until they have the same consistency and consistency. We stirred the milk, eggs, and other ingredients, and they are all ready. The ingredients should be completely strained, and our recipe is a very easy and delicious recipe. Creme brulee and add them to 4 cups. The number becomes about 4 cups, depending on the size of the cup. Each of them is best distributed here. We added hot water to it, followed by the mold, so the water must be hot before it goes into the oven. So please, let's put it in the oven and bake it at 160 degrees. They took us 40 minutes. Here we have to wait. Until it cools well, it takes about 3 hours in the refrigerator. Here we added sugar, distributed the sugar almost evenly on top, and then finished. It was good, and you distributed the sugar well. Now we have to burn the sugar until it takes the right color and shape, which comes out nice and sweet. And we burn the sugar like this. The recipe is good and the recipe turned out to be a success. I hope you try it, and I hope you can tell me which country you are following me from. Write to me in the comments if you want a new recipe. Do you need anything so we can make it for you? Welcome back to my channel. Look at its color. How beautiful it has become. He looks at the sugar. It came out like crystal. His voice is wonderful. The recipe is great, wonderful and very sweet in taste. It came out very well. The recipe was very smooth and very delicious. I wish you a happy day. I wish you always stay in perfect health. And don't forget to share and subscribe. Subscribe in the channel. Welcome. See you in a new video and a new recipe. Goodbye.